Next, we're going to be talking about SBK, because if there was anything that I gathered from that event was that SBK had a hell of a day. When we're talking about their male champion Rock winning in a stacked champion class, their boy grand champion Art, a dog that they've produced, showing at such a high level. It was just incredible. But man, just to see the success and all of their work in the ring and showing how great those dogs were looking, man, big shout out to SBK and the things that they were able to accomplish. And I know you're extremely proud of those dogs, and those dogs are just amazing. Great examples of the breed.